I've had a lot of questions. Are you going to show us fixing up the farm property? Are you going to show us fixing up this piece of property? Yes, I'm going to do a bunch of videos on this farm property. I'm going to take you in depth when I take that barn, timber frame barn back there, and I make it into a house. We're going to make this into a cool cabin. It might even be an Airbnb recreational property that we rent out from time to time. We have tons of woods and trails and creeks. There's even a waterfall in this property, which is super awesome. So I'm going to take you through all that. I'm also going to break videos up. I'm going to do the laundromat videos like I've been doing. I'm going to change it up more as you follow along as I do this stuff instead of me just showing all the bad, I guess. But I am going to show you all the buildings on this property. There's another barn out there. Then you got that, you got the grain bin, and behind this barn is a great big Morton building, or what we call a pole barn or metal building. They don't make them out of poles anymore. But this is the house, and basically today I've been just working on getting the gas hooked up. This pad I poured, this concrete pad, this is actually for a propane tank. You really don't need to pour a pad, but I hate putting them in the grass and the dirt because then I get weeds around them. Some people like to put mulch around them, but I'm trying to make this property kind of robust that I never have to mess with certain things. So I dug this trench for the guy. It's 2 feet deep. And then I've got a 3/4 pipe coming out of the wall there. The old hole's right next to it. The reason I did this trench like this, a lot of times I only bury them a couple inches. Well, I'm planning on putting a sidewalk, a patio going out the back. I don't want to dig it up later. I've had a lot of property where we run in and we dig it up. So I'm trying to make it so this is a pretty idiot-proof property, so I don't end up tearing stuff up. Now, I want to take you on a tour of this house while I have daylight. Some of the lights don't work. A lot of things we got to fix yet. Midwest, it gets dark really quick. So I want to take you on a tour of this house, show you all the rooms, get you an idea what it looks like. I know you saw it when we were cleaning, and this is the front patio or porch. Nothing to it. That there is actually the door to the basement, the cellar they call them in the country. The power's off. I turn the power off every night because I'm afraid that there might be some bad wiring. But this is the kitchen. Built-in cabinets. These will come out. They're just not worth saving. There's the other side of the house, the other side of the kitchen. There's cabinets up there. You can see it a little better now. Now this door here leads out to another. This door here leads out to the back patio. It's concrete floor, so this was exposed to the elements at one time. I'm sure that wall's not original, but they have the storm windows and looks like some washer hookups. In here behind this door, this is the bathroom, which is probably the worst shape. All this flooring has to come out the tub. This window's gonna go. I don't want it. That makes no sense. That's gonna go. We're obviously going to redo the walls in here because it's all yanked up. Then we go through here on the first floor. We got basically an office. We're just going to make this like an office, dining room, something. We got the window. We got a broken window. We got to cover that up. Go through a hallway. Here's the front door. Nothing fancy. So this is what they would consider the living room back in the day. People might ask, did you find anything cool while we were working on this place? No. I mean, we found just little trinkets. People took everything with them. The walls are actually wood, which is kind of cool, or shiplap, whatever you want to call it. You can see that's wood too. Come up top of the stairs, you got a bedroom. This is actually old wallpaper. We're going to keep all the wood trim around the windows. We're just going to put vinyl replacement windows in. But this is it. Little window, we're probably going to take that out. Then you go across the hallway, and here's the other bedroom. I'm going to get rid of that. Once again, replace the windows. Obviously, that roof will probably get replaced. There's a closet. Nothing too fancy. Oh, the light does work. Yeah, see? I got light. I guess I did leave the power on. And that's it in a nutshell. Basically, we're not going to get carried away. We're going to rip up the flooring. We're going to go back to wood floors for the first floor. We're going to do carpet in the bedrooms. Maybe carpet in the living room. We're not sure yet. We want to make it wear and tear for doing our Airbnb. You know, we don't want it to get tore up so easily. Well, that's all we got for today's episode, folks. Hopefully we can get back here and get some lights installed, get the flooring ripped up, and start getting that cleaned up and prepped up for windows. And that's the next plan. So till next time, take it easy.